Hello, Axiom 3.8 is out now. You should auto-update. If you open up your extension on the dashboard, look in the bottom left-hand corner, you should see extension 3.8, and if you're using the desktop app, you should see 3.8 as well. What's new? Well, under the hood, we've made a lot of enhancements. We've improved our scraper tool, making it faster and more reliable in many cases. We've also been busy updating our error messages, making them more human-friendly. In fact, we've made so many enhancements we cannot get through them all in this short video. I'll just show you a couple of other things we've done. We've improved the UI of the interact step by making the sub-steps a lot clearer, differentiating them from the add step. We've also added, if I just show you a scraper tool, on the selector we've added a nice little feature that allows you to report an issue with a website. So please do report an issue you have with a website and we can get it fixed for you. But now on to the most exciting thing about this release, the real champagne moment, and that's our brand new Academy site. We're really excited about the potential of this site. We've got better documentation, better tutorials, and the startings of a blog that's going to help teach our users about the power of browser automation. That's version 3.8. Thank you for watching.